Welcome to Liberty Park Music. I'm Michelle Huang, your piano instructor. In our last lesson, we learned what key signatures are and how to determine the key of a piece. In this lesson, we'll learn 4 new musical notations that you will often see in music. These are tenuto, accent, tie, and fermata. Let's first look into tenuto and accent. The term tenuto comes from the Italian word tenere, which means to hold. So tenuto means to hold the note for its full value and to emphasize it. You will see the marking for tenuto is a line about the length of a note head, either above or below the note. Sometimes you will also see abbreviation TEN written above the note. An accent indicates that the note will be played louder and with emphasis. Both tenuto and accent are markings to emphasize certain notes. The main difference is that a tenuto puts an emphasis on the length of the note, and an accent puts an emphasis on the volume of the note. I will use a C 5-finger pattern to demonstrate the difference. Physically, to play tenuto requires firm fingers with a nudging motion. To play an accent, it's a faster and stronger attack of the keys, so the sound is bigger. In other words, an accent is louder than a tenuto. Now we will look into a short piece that has both tenutos and accents in the music, along with legato, which we have already learned. In this piece, the articulation changes every 2 measures. The first 2 measures begin with legato. Remember, legato is to be played smoothly connected, walking your fingers on the keys. The next 2 measures are played with tenutos. Just to review, the general motion of playing tenuto is to play with firm fingers, nudge each note, and play to its full value. You will also notice that there is a crescendo marked here. So increase your nudging motion as you go. Use your wrist to help you. Measures 5 and 6 have accents marked on the notes. Remember, accents are to be played with a faster and stronger attack of the keys. Notice that the dynamic here is forte, which fits the character of an accent really well. The last 2 measures go back to legato playing, diminuendoing back to mezzo forte. Now, let's play this piece together. The next 2 musical notations we'll talk about are ties and fermatas. These are notations that will lengthen the notes more than their indicated values. A tie is a curved line that joins 2 of the same notes. The key is held down for the combined values of both notes. For example, as you can see on the screen here, 2 half notes tied together is the equivalent of a whole note. There are two types of curved lines that you will see in music. One is a tie, one is a slur. The difference is that a tie connects two of the same notes, and only the first note is played. 1, 2, 3, 4. A slur, however, connects two different notes, and both notes are played. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this short excerpt, notice where the ties are. The tie notes on the left hand are two quarter note Cs. This means that you will only play the first C and hold the note down for 2 beats before playing B. 1, 2, 1, 2. Also notice that the curved line connecting from C to B is a slur, not a tie, because the notes are different. The right-hand ties are two half-note middle Cs, which means the note will be played for the duration of 4 beats total. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, let's play this excerpt together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. A fermata sign means to hold the note under the sign longer than its value, at least double the length. For a half note, the note can be held anywhere from 4 to 6 beats, depending on the context of the music and the performer's interpretation. In this short piece, locate the note with the fermata. It's a half note, so we will hold it for at least double its value, which is 4 beats. We can also hold it up to 6 beats, which will pause the music even more and creating more of a dramatic whole musically. I will play both versions and you can choose which one fits your liking better. The first version is a fermata that holds the note up to 4 beats. Next, I will play one version with the fermata being held up to 6 beats. In this lesson, we have learned 4 musical notations: tenuto, accent, tie, and fermata. In our next lesson, we'll break away from learn new musical concepts and work on techniques and finger exercises to limber up your fingers for more challenging pieces in the future. See you next time.